Apologies, I clicked the wrong button. Make sure you coat this once. Okay. And now before it gets too hot, you have to mix totally. You have to mix totally all of this Flavacol into the oil so that it becomes like part of the oil basically. You do want to put it on the kernels, but you want to get it all over. You want to mix it in 1 or 2 go-arounds, and I'm going to show you. It's going to change the color of the oil. You have to do it this way because the popcorn machine can't turn it, and it does no good to just shake the stuff. You've really got to like get this going first. And now it's got a little heat. Gonna add the rest. See, I added that little bit. I want that little bit. Okay, stand by. Trying to tape while I do this. Now you see it starts to bubble. That's what you want. I gotta take this, raise this off the heat, and I gotta put this down, or at least try to get you to shot. But that, see how it's starting to do that? That's what you want. Now you gotta stir it again. Gotta put that down because I don't want it to burn. You understand? There we go. I am now that Flavacol is definitely mixed into all that oil. Now look, now I can get the phone again. All right, because we gotta, now I'm not putting the top on it just yet. But you see how this is? Trust me, you see how this is basically like, it's like kettle corn. It's like frying it almost with the oil. But that's what it does anyway. Now, you don't want to leave it for too long on the burner after it gets going. And now, I'm gonna stir it again. And goodbye, Jack. I'm just gonna put this cover on it. And basically that's that. As long as you know, don't leave it sitting there for more than 10 seconds. Once you put the cover on it, pick it up and just do this. It's plenty hot. And you can't, make sure to take it off the heat. Don't just rock it on there. You gotta take it off or you can burn it. You don't wanna do that, Precious. This will ruin it. Got this, believe me, this looks like, what is this? It's gonna be different. Oh, it's the Disney popcorn, baby. Trust me. See how it starts foaming like that too? I even know you got it. Watch. You just keep, you do about, maybe no more than 10 seconds on there. Tops, maybe less. Pick it back up. And just keep doing that. You are the popcorn machine. You have to do that. You have to keep doing that. So if you do that, you'll be rewarded. If you leave it on the burner, just oh, you'll fail. If you don't, okay, now here's the real trick. Now it's starting to pop. You see that? You have to continually, you want to coat all the kernels, like I said, right? So you hold it here, now it starts to pop. Now you really want to just keep stirring that oil. The oil will get incorporated into every kernel. Not one will be wet. Nothing like that. But only if you keep doing this. Because you don't have a popcorn machine to do it, you understand? And you want that oil because it's twice as much as there's a reason. Because you want that flavor and you want all that Flavacol is mixed into the oil, which is now coating our, so that's a different way to use the Flavacol than if you just put the powder on, and it's like how the old school bowling like alleys would use it, and it can get real salty. It's already going to be very salty because guess what? The Disney popcorn is pretty damn salty with the Flavacol salt. But, oh no, it'll be delicious. And it's gonna be healthier than at least the microwave bag with the bad stuff in it, whatever they put them in, right? All right, let's try it. I can't quite get a shot here. Voila. You see that? Now it looks just like regular popcorn, right? But you see how it's nice and buttery and yellow like Disney popcorn? Now, believe me, you can take the ratio. Wait a minute. Let me just. I can confirm. That's like the Disney popcorn. All right. You're welcome.